So look at these. And now, if you just don't talk for a while, you can hear the trail singing to you. So we're going to not talk for a while for you to hear what we're doing. Okay.
It's a bunch of chipmunks.
You hear that bird calling? Now that means there's a family of birds nearby. Now, we do not know what trail this is, but we at least we went down, and now it looks like we're going down again. We don't know if the down and up trail, but it doesn't look like that. But we're going to see. All we're doing is going down, but I say going up is better, because then you don't have to go down again. Because when you get down, you have to go up again. Here's the little lake they're talking about. Can everyone see that little lake? Yeah. It's cute. And hear those beautiful sounds of the jungle singing to you. The forest, I mean. Thanks, everything. Now, what you can notice is that look around. There's so many things. Don't just look up. Look down, too. Because you're missing all that action down at your feet. And always look straight across. There might be a chipmunk or a turtle on the road. Which way?
This way. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This what? Where's super high?
No, down here. This might be the trail I was thinking of. I think it is. Look at this.
Look at this.
Imagine that's some sort of fungus. Don't touch it, okay?
Yeah.
Well, you just try not to touch things if you don't know what they are.
Let's go. So, guys, now you can get a better view of the lake. You can see it better, guys. And yes, it is a Let's Play video of me and Clare, which is my brother. Me and my brother both are on YouTube. So just type in Clare Dories without any spaces. I'll just fill my name without I. C-L-A-R-E, and they spell our Dories is D-O-R-I-E-S. That's it. If you want to write that down, you see me. It's C-L. Me too. A. You see me too. R. You see me. Cool. I'm trying to tell them. R-E. And on the next line, it is D. O. R. I. E. S. Now here's a better action of the water, I think, because we were more up. No, it looks like Dad's about to fall. Or Dad. He's our cameraman. Keep going on. If you haven't seen my mom before, this is a picture of her and me at the beach when I was little. What, everybody? Wait, Clare. My toolbox.
Here, Daddy will hold it. I'll hold
Because
it.
it broke.
Yeah. Go ahead.
This is a good point to be at. Yeah, this is a good point to look at that river. river. Oh, look at that tree. It's like a little bridge. Looks like it has fungus on it. Now, what we're trying to look for today is old man's beard, which we came across it later on, which we are going to film the video later. Now we're going to stop because we are hearing the bird sound, so we're going to listen. It's a very beautiful sounding.
Nice thing about this is Grandma can come along on our hike by watching the video. Right? So it'll be like she'll feel like she was on our little walk with us.
Now, everyone, we're going to listen. Now, please start your mouth up a bit, and we're going to hear the sound. Now, when you're going bird feeding, this is a good place to be at. Which park are we at on the trail?
White's Woods, I think.
White Woods. Yes, White Woods. Here is an old tree. You can tell that as because it has those moths. Now, keep going and look for old man's beard, and we're going to look for fungus to show you.